Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a simple breast pumping habit that made my routine feel much less stressful, preparing for the next session before finishing the current one. When I first started breast pumping, I would finish a session, clean everything, and then forget about my pump until the next time I needed it. Later, I often found myself rushing to gather supplies while also caring for my baby, so I changed my routine. After each session, I cleaned my pump parts according to the manufacturer's instructions and placed everything I would need for the next session in one organized area. I made sure my storage containers were ready, checked that my pump was charged when needed, and kept any small accessories together. This meant that when my next pumping time arrived, I could begin without searching for missing items. That small habit also helped me feel more relaxed. Breast pumping can already require time and attention, and removing those last-minute tasks made my day easier to manage. I also learned that being organized doesn't mean every day will go perfectly. Babies have unpredictable schedules, work can become busy, and sometimes a pumping session needs to change. But having my supplies prepared gave me one less thing to worry about. For me, successful breast pumping wasn't about creating a perfect routine. It was about making small changes that saved time and reduced stress. If you're new to pumping, try focusing on one simple habit at a time. With practice, you can build a routine that feels comfortable and works for your own lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.